Saoirse,
Where is it?
I've got something for us to unbox. It is the Honor MagicBook 16 2026 edition.
I've never done that one before.
Let's unbox it.
Okay.
Oh, what was that? Okay, it's screen on time. That'll do. Not like that. Does that have to be in it?
Yes, it does.
You've got 16 gig of RAM and 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. And it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor.
No little hands for this bit.
And on a claim up to 14 hours battery life.
Thank you, little helper. Let's turn it round. Let's turn it round. Ready? Ooh. You get a plug in the box. Honor Supercharge.
It's lovely to see a 65 watt Honor Supercharged charger in the box.
I'm showing everyone.
Okay. What's that?
Charger.
Yeah. Let's have a look. Should
I can do it.
Can you?
Amazingly, you can do reverse charging at 60 watt. It's really handy if your phone needs a top up.
Is that C to C? Yes, C to C cable. Just get the laptop out. Maybe your friend needs to get off. Are you going to show that?
Also in the box is a quick start guide and warranty card.
Warranty card? What are you doing? It just comes off like that, nicely.
Oh, I've got rid of them.
Keep it up the front.
What
does that say?
No,
Honor.
With Honor Connect, you can seamlessly link your Honor devices and even iOS devices too. I covered this briefly in my Honor Magic 8 Pro review.
Right.
Oh no. Not close.
Now, turn it out.
Wow.
It only comes in one colour and that is starry grey, which is rather nice I think.
Does it feel?
So with this laptop you get a slim metal case which is an all metal anode technology. It has produced a light, exquisitely polished design, fusing curves and tangents, comfortable to the touch.
Yeah. Test if you can do it one hand. You can. Really. Let me try that again. One hand. Oh no, not quite. How's the keypad feel?
You've got a full-side keyboard with large keys which is nice to type on.
It's not working.
Because we haven't turned it on, donut.
You've got a lovely super-sized touchpad. You've also got a fingerprint scanner for biometrics. And for them team meetings, you've got a 720p HD camera.
Right, let's show you what the ports it's got. Points, you point to a different ports. You've got a full HDMI, 2 USB Type-C, and a full headphone jack as well, look. What's on the other side? And we've got 2 full USB Type-A ports.
You get 2 speakers that aren't much to shout about, but they do the job. This laptop is ultra strong. It has an SGS Exceptional Reliability Certificate. Part of this gives you a 6-year battery guarantee. You've also got military standard 810H military standard certification as well. Amazingly, it's got a water washable design with an IPX2 water resistant keyboard. You've also got high strength cooling with 52 watt of power. Last but not least, you've got a 16-inch eye-friendly screen. It's 16 by 10 golden ratio and has a resolution of 1920 by 1200. And thank you for watching. Cheers.